National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County until 12:15 a.m. At 11:14 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Hartford to State Route 310 and State Route 161 to Etna, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Granville, Heath, Utica, Newark. In addition, Beechwood Trails, Hartford, Kirkersville, Alexandria, Granville South, Hebron, Fredonia, and U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661 are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 115 and 142. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.